Hello guys and welcome to a new video. Organic farming is not just about avoiding synthetic chemicals and fertilizers. It is also about making sustainable life choices. It is about living off the land and living off what nature provides us. Today I am going to demonstrate that by making my own coconut broom using coconut leaves that our farm provides us. So let's begin. I am also going deep into the forest of my farm to see if we can find more coconut leaves, because the amount that we have collected and left to dry, that would not be sufficient for us. So I have a lot of coconut trees here as well. So let's look if there are any fallen leaves. There's one coconut leaf there. Look, beautiful flowers. Yes, there's a good coconut leaf that has fallen down from this tree. There's one more which is about to fall. So these leaves are already dry and nice. So let's collect these leaves. So friends, we have collected only the larger leaves because that's what we need to make our broom. Look, we've collected so much, and this will be probably sufficient for us. So we'll dry them a little bit. They're already very dry, but just a little bit in the sun, and then we will start peeling these. Now we will let this dry in the sun for few hours, and then it will be ready, and then we will start peeling it. We want just this part to make our broom, so we will remove the leaves and we will just take this part, this hard part. So let it dry for few hours. Okay guys, so our leaves are completely dry right now, so we will start peeling them. This is the part that we need. This is the broomstick. This is the hard part between the leaves, this part. So we just need this part to make our broom. So we will peel the rest off like this. See, cut the tail portion off and peel this as well. Peel all the leaves. See, so this is the broomstick. So we need to peel all the leaves and collect these to make our broom. So let's start peeling. Guys, look at the amount of broomstick that we have collected. See, and it's quite long as well. So now all that's left is to tie them up. So let's tie them up into a broom. Okay guys, so now we will start tying all these sticks into a broom. Let me show you the process. We just need two things, these sticks and then this string. So let's begin. We'll keep the string aside and we'll take a small bundle of sticks, little bit like this, and we'll place it like this. Let me show you properly. Let me zoom in a bit how the placement will be. So a small bunch of sticks, I'll put it here, and then I'll take some more the same size and put it like this, crossed like this, then some more on top of it like this, and we'll keep repeating this process till all our sticks are over. We'll try to make sure that the amount of sticks that we take in each section is the same, in each repetition it's the same, and we will keep stacking our sticks in this fashion on top of each other. We'll make sure even this one is even. Okay, keep placing the sticks. And the last one done. Now we'll take our string and it will be brought under all the sticks like this. I show you properly like this, and we will tie this. This should not be too tight but also not too weak. So we'll tie this like this, properly tied. See, it should look like this. This is how it should look. Now we'll bring all of this together. See, this is how it will look. We'll try to make everything we'll try to make sure the base, all the sticks are at the same height, the base is smooth. Let me zoom out. So this will try to even out the base like this. Look, look, it's done. Now we will roll this, keep it like this. Let me zoom in. Yes, and now we will roll it from this side, not from the side on which the string is tied, from the other side. So we'll just roll it like this, as tightly as we can. See, our broom base is ready. Now we'll tie our string like this, tightly, as tight as we can make it. Meanwhile, we'll also try to even out the base like this. Look, try the string very tightly. As you can see, our string has been tied tightly. One more repetition, maybe from here. Our main aim is that our string should be very tight, no matter how we do it. Look, and our broom is ready. That's how you tie a coconut broom. You can cut this part off or just leave it, no issues. And look at this, our broom is ready. The base is smooth, the base is of all the base is even, and it's got a nice handle, and the leaves, sorry, the sticks, they are what do you call that, outward and nice and fluffy, and it will be easy to broom with this broom that we have just made. So that's how you tie a coconut broom. Look at this, so beautiful. That brings us to the end of our video. I hope you guys really like it, and if you like the video or if you learned something valuable from this, like how to make a coconut broom, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.